beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of stretch mark really fast. Okay guys, so note that stretch mark is one of the things that actually do not really go fast on your skin, but when you are consistent and dry brushing your skin also, you are going to be on your way of getting rid of those disgusting mark. Okay, but this remedy is going to help you when you are consistent in using it every blessed day. Okay, for the space of time that I'm going to be telling you in the video. Alright, so let's dive into the video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. So we're going to be needing aspirin, and then we're also going to be needing vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule is a great remedy that works so well in rejuvenating the skin. It also helps to leave your skin looking supple. It works in increasing the elasticity of the skin, therefore removing stretch mark and also contrasting the mark of the stretch mark. It will also help to change the color of the stretch mark. And then we'll be needing aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is a great therapy that is great for irritations. It is also great for sunburn. It helps for acne, scaling. It also helps to remove fine line and as well as wrinkles. It works in rejuvenating and repairing the skin, and it is also an almighty remedy for dark spots and as well as stretch mark. Then we're going to be making use of apple cider vinegar. Now on unfiltered apple cider vinegar, combining it with aspirin will work so well in reducing the appearance of stretch mark on your skin. It works as a remedy that helps to reduce the size of stretch mark. It also clears the color. It gently and gradually help to fade up stretch mark. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be needing a small mortar with a small pestle. So I'm going to be putting in the aspirin and I'm going to be crushing it, okay? And I'm going to be putting in the vitamin E capsule in this. I'll be taking in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. And also be putting in half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I would have to crush again and crush all of the ingredients together. You'd have to get a little bowl and turn this into it. So what you do is that you're just going to take this mix and then you apply it on those places where you have stretch mark. Okay, you apply it morning and evening. Now let me tell you guys, there's one thing about stretch mark. Stretch mark does not actually go off on the skin like quickly like that. So you will have to store this mix for as long as you can store it, because it's going to stay long. Also, if you don't have the processed aloe vera. Using natural aloe vera is going to be perfect for you. Okay, so when you apply it generously and in a circular motion, and then you would have to leave it on for it to dry. Okay, so whenever you want to take your bath, you leave this on for it to dry and you're good to go. Okay, now the next thing you do, you have to air tight this and then you keep it. So this is your stretch mark cream, but you have to be consistent and at least give it like 3 months. Apply it every day for like 3 months and it's going to help your stretch mark. It's going to diminish it and it's going to help you glow. So basically that's it. Aspirin works really fine. If you like, you can go Google it and see, and it does work with this other natural remedy that I just impute in it, and it's going to work really fine. It's going to help you, but if you have natural aloe vera, you can actually use it. It's so good and you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvement when you're consistent. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. If you did love this video, please thumbs up the video and subscribe and share, and bye guys. Mwah.